Hi students. Today I got one interesting question from student side, and the question was, can physical adsorption be converted into chemical adsorption, and if yes, then under what condition? And if physical adsorption is converted into chemical adsorption by certain means, then what happens to the van der Waals forces of attraction which was involved in physical adsorption earlier? And next is, when chemisorption is formed, then how the chemical bonds are formed, okay? How chemical bonds are formed as soon as the physical adsorption is changed into chemisorption. So this was the question. So first of all, I'll say yes, physical adsorption may be converted into chemical adsorption on increasing the temperature. Okay. Now, what happens to those van der Waals forces of attraction, which was earlier in the physical adsorption? What happens to that, and how the chemisorption takes place? To make you understand this whole sequence, I'll give you one example of hydrogenation reaction of ethene. Okay, that reaction we used to study during the 10th class that you encountered for the first time. So what happens in the reaction? CH2 double bond CH2, ethene, arrow, nickel catalyst, and below we used to write hydrogen gas. Then ethene molecule changes into ethane, CH3 bond CH3, or you say C2H6. So it's a simple reaction, conversion of ethene on passing hydrogen gas through nickel catalyst, then ethane molecule is formed. Now you see H2 is a molecule, and H2 molecule in the beginning it get adsorbed on the nickel catalyst by physisorption, and they have weak van der Waals force of attraction between hydrogen gas and nickel surface. But as temperature is increased, then the hydrogen molecule breaks into hydrogen atoms. Now these hydrogen atoms now come in contact with the nickel surface, and temporary chemical bond is formed. You see, temporary chemical bond is formed, and now this chemisorbed hydrogen atoms on the surface of nickel, it starts forming activated complex with the ethene molecule. Again chemical bond starts forming, and then after the formation of the activated complex, this ethene molecule, it gets converted into ethane molecule. Okay, and your final product is formed on the surface of nickel. And as soon as the ethane molecule is formed, then it starts getting dissolved and it gets diffused, carried away, okay, in order to make the space available for new ethane molecules to come. So this is how physical adsorption takes the course of chemical adsorption on increasing the temperature. I hope you got. Thank you.